Mummy! Mummy!
Where are you?
Behind you! Look for me!
You're always hiding from me.
Here I am! I love to play hide and seek. I hide inside the sea anemone. I'm so curious. I love looking around.
There is an ocean of salt water around us.
I love to swim with my clownfish friends in this nice warm water.
It's warm because we live in the tropical ocean.
Mummy, what's behind the sea anemone? I would like to get to know other fish as well.
Look at the neighbors. They're very busy with their eggs. See?
Did I hatch as well, Mum?
Yes. One day you, along with all your brothers and sisters, hatched in our sea anemone.
Do our neighbours have their own sea anemone, just for themselves?
Yes, they do. And their children can swim around just like you. She's protecting them by using her burning arms.
But she won't burn us, right, Mummy?
Our striped body is covered by a glossy coat. Not every fish has such a coat. Those fish should stay away from the sea anemone.
And there is lots of tasty food.
Right you are. Here we are safe and have lots of yummy food.
Mummy, do you think she's happy that we live inside her?
Of course she is. She appreciates all the good care we give her.
I don't know. She won't let any other fish in.
That's right. Only we, and maybe an occasional crab, can hide inside the sea anemone.
The crab has his shell, which protects him. But is he also afraid sometimes?
Yes, he's afraid of the octopus. His shell won't protect him against her.
Sometimes